Knock, knock. Hello? Door's open. Hello? Hello?
Battery. Please replace.
So that's your key that works?
Technically,
Technically? Where's the other keys?
I mean, none of the keys work. That's what I was trying to explain. It's like, so if I use this one, it'll work sometimes.
Okay.
And I'm thinking from everything that I've
You
tried.
said you had new keys, right?
These ones right here, like brand new ones.
The car's a push to start?
No.
Well, these are not going to work for your car then.
Oh. I don't know. That's just what the guy gave us when we bought the car.
Okay, these are for a push to start. It's for a different car completely.
That's what I figured, because like in order for you to start the car, you have to have an actual key, and you need like a
What year is it?
04.
Okay, I can. So. Thank you. Okay, I'm just looking at it. So your security light's on right here.
Yeah.
Did someone make these keys for you or something?
It's just that's the one key that you have in there is the one that was given to us.
Okay.
And one of the fobs was given to us as well. But
Okay.
I don't think it was programmed, and we lost the original one that we had.
Okay. So maybe this one was never programmed. Maybe it's not a chip key. I could do new ones if you want, but these ones won't work for this vehicle.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be more expensive than just programming.
How much?
So this key. ID 46. It does have a chip in it. It's definitely not programmed to your car. Maybe it wasn't programmed right, or maybe never. Let's see if it's locked. Anyway.
I was thinking it was maybe the transponder, the one that goes like around the ignition.
No, because the other key used to work. You said, right?
Yeah.
Transponder clone. 1 second. We're gonna read your chip. Clonable locked. So this is locked to a vehicle. Maybe it's just not to the right car. I don't know.
It works intermittently.
It does work intermittently?
Yeah. That's what I was thinking.
Are we on the reservation over here?
The reservation's right over there, right?
Oh, right. Okay. Oh, thanks. Let me grab. I left your key over there. Hold on. This is a beautiful area. Yep. Except that you don't have phone service.
Verizon, only that works.
Oh, Verizon? Nice. Do you own this house or you rent?
No, I don't.
You own it? Nice. It's a new build, I guess, huh? The house was built in 2010?
Yeah.
How much did this land do you own? Like the whole area?
Just 1 acre.
1 acre. I guess they're still developing it?
Yeah, little by little. Like few people just started building their stuff. They've had it for a while.
That's cool. Well, enjoy it till it gets to full, I guess. Okay, our goal is to turn that security light off.
What's that?
Our goal is to turn that security light, the security light over there off. The one up here?
Yeah.
So,
That's that nav system, right?
yeah. You did your research, huh?
Man, I've been fiddling with this thing for like 2 weeks.
Oh, dang. I mean, your car might be out of gas, so it may not like start, but if we get that security light off, then you know that your key is programmed. What year? 04? 05? 04. Did I got the right key? 350Z, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it should be this key. Oh, it's too hot in here. Even with the shade. Oh, thanks. Where's your... Oh, here they are. So you just bought the car?
Back in December.
Okay. And then this whole problem started once. So this key is probably not, but you said it starts once in a while?
Once in a while, it just like it'll start with that light. I notice like will sometimes be on, sometimes it'll be off.
But are you like hooking up a scanner to it?
I have the little like the one of the cheap ones.
Okay, that might be why it's turning off though, temporarily.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we clear the codes and then we try turning it on. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Okay.
But it's usually
Basically, if you get your car into programming mode, the car will start. That could be what you're doing. And then until it'll stay in program mode for a little while, and then it won't start again. Yeah. But this key, the key that you gave me, that key is locked. I don't know if it's locked to this car. I mean, I would assume it is, but then it should start. Unless it was erased. Like if it was erased whenever they made that other one. I will see her in a second.
Do you do your own editing or you send it off?
Yeah, I do pretty much not. Well, I have a girl that does. Yeah. Why is it not working? Let's go by vehicle. Should we do that?
I was reading if I just get like one of those auto start alarm things installed, we won't need it. But
No, that wouldn't fix your problem.
I wouldn't fix it out.
I mean, what they do for those auto starts is they take your chip and they put it into the ring and just set it there. So as long as you have a working key, then you'll be fine.
Right.
But first you have to have a working key. So my other machine would breeze right through this, but I need to do an update on it. Just not really getting. It should communicate a lot faster than it is. Not gonna lie.
Try doing that programming remote thing where you like close the door.
So that's just for the buttons.
Oh, it's just for the button.
Yeah. That won't actually start the car. Did you get the lights to flash?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then you could program a remote, but not the remotes that you gave me. A remote like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. North America 350Z. Yes. Alright, just for the fun of it, I'll do. Oops. Oops. Can't do it with a machine, huh? Oh, maybe I could. Let's see. Why is it not going? Hold on, let me get my other machines. This would be my go-to machine, but I need to update it. Should work though, let's see. Nissan, buy a vehicle. Oops. Connection error. Why are we getting a connection error on your car?
Security's locked?
Maybe. Try to start it too many times?
Definitely try to start it too many times.
Maybe lock the computer then. Connection error everywhere. Oh, right now your secure light's off though. see it? It is on. It's on with this one. It will start right now. Now the secure light's back on. What's your battery level? Maybe that's what we're not getting. Battery's showing a little bit low, I guess.
Battery's showing what?
It's kind of showing okay, actually. Maybe not. Okay, yeah, now it's really low. Okay. That could be why we're having an issue the whole time. Say it again?
Just had it recharged.
You just had it recharged?
Yeah,
Okay. And they said the battery's good? Well, I mean, your battery's on here loose too, though. So that, so even though it might be recharged,
Not on, right?
yeah. That one too. See how loose that was?
Yeah, we were like disconnecting it, like leaving it off. Like,
Oh, trying that. Yeah. Your security light is definitely off. With your key. Your security light is not. 1 second. We don't have a good connection or something. Hang on. I'm gonna double it up.
battery from a different car that you could try it on.
Okay, let's try this. Let's leave those on. We want to double it up actually. So that one right here. This one. It's on already. Car's on.
With the key.
Yeah, your key. What's that?
Still program the other one either way.
Yeah.
So we can double check to make sure it's fine, right? On that one.
Which one?
On the one that's in there now.
The car's starting, so I think your key is fine because as soon as we got those cables on, they're good. And that light's definitely off. So, but it will do it. It will act like it could act like security is an issue if your battery's low. But when I first connected, so I'm still getting connection error. Like I'm not really communicating with your. Well.
It takes a long time on this one. Usually on like some of the other, even like on the Wrangler, it's pretty quick to just connect and figure out what kind of car it is.
Yeah. The only thing is this one is kind of out of tokens right now, so maybe take this one back now. Let's wait till we got power. In the meantime, we go. Oh, I need to turn this off to do that. I'm gonna set the door closed too. Where's your unlock button?
It's on the side right there.
Over here?
On the next to the window button.
Is there an automatic one? Oh, here. Okay, that's a pump in. Okay. Do your flashes work? Yes, they do.
I was doing it with the doors locked.
Oh, really? And it was working for you? Thank you. Up. Unlock. Alright, so we got the remote in. But now the question is, can we program keys to your car? Where's the other key? I threw it on the floor or something? Oh, it's on my lock. Okay. But you do have a working key, so worst comes to worst, we could copy that chip. It's giving me your battery level, so it's communicating somehow, a little bit, you know?
Right.
And that's the battery level of the car, right there. Okay. Okay, my phone died, but I'll do a quick recap. We couldn't read the BCM number. Well, first of all, no other machines will connect to this car. But then we couldn't read the BCM number. So then what you do is you go here, and there's a sticker right here. And your BCM number is on that sticker. It's your label. Or that's your BCM number, and then you have to decode it. So then you go to, just type in on your phone freebcmcodes.com on Google, or free Nissan. So you go free Nissan BCM codes. You'll punch that number in. I forgot what it was already. Remember what it was?
2273.
Yeah, that's the code, yeah. CG005. Check it. And of course we have like hardly any internet, so he gave me his Wi-Fi. If not, we'd be driving back and forth like if you were at the lake or something. Damn. Alright, it's just going slow. Okay, and then, oh, that's not it. It was, oh, I know, I think I remember which one it was. It was the bottom one. It was D4841 on that sticker. Yeah. So on the sticker, for those that want to know, it's your, can't really see it now. So it's going to be your bottom number, the D4841. And then you just go, like I said, to here. And then one of these codes should work. On this one, it was the 2273. His key was bad. We tried to add it back in. And you could tell the key is bad by, here, I'll just try to do that one first. Warning, all keys will be erased. Continue, yes. I don't know if it's 3BCM label, so that's why we got it off the sticker. Now, I can put, if I hit yes over here, then I'd have to put that first number that we had, the 48 whatever, but I already read it myself, so I'm gonna hit no, and then I'm just gonna type in the pin code 2273. Now, here, check this out. When you go to cycle your key, if it doesn't blink 5 times, oh, I should put a key in there and put it on. You see that light solid up there? If it doesn't blink 5 times, it's not taking your key. It's supposed to blink 5 times. So you'll see right now, switch ignition off, and then right now, turn it on with the first key. It should blink 5 times, and it's not, it's just staying solid. If I hit, do you want to program more keys? I'm gonna hit yes, but I'm gonna have to do it again because we did his key first, it wouldn't start last time. We're gonna do yes, switch ignition off, and then you'll see, press OK. When I turn it on with this new key that I made, it'll actually blink 5 times. 2, 3, 4. That's how you know it took the key. I'm gonna do a no for more keys, and then we're gonna start again. Okay. So now we're going to go again program keys because we are doing a spare. I just don't want to add that one in because it's like messing up with the signal. It like wouldn't start after once or something. So yeah, here's your bad key. And then want to read DCM, blah blah blah. Hit no again because we don't need it. Yeah, Nissan, you can tell when it doesn't blink like that, it's not taking the key. When a locksmith goes, oh, there's something wrong with your car. No, you know it's supposed to blink. And if you don't know that, then you're not a locksmith, right? At least if you watch this video. Okay, off. And then we're gonna turn it back on. It should blink 5 times. Took that key. You want to program more keys? We're gonna press yes. Off. Switch ignition on with the next key. It's gonna blink 5 times. More keys now. Switch ignition off. Both keys should start the car. Cool. Yeah, that key did have an issue. It's funny, intermittently it would start, but all right, we gotta go inside and get some of the drink. Hopefully you got something.